We're going to be replacing the microwave handle on a GE stainless steel microwave. Right here the handle's broke, and I had already started pulling the trim off. So you just want to get a putty knife and keep working this around here till you can get it pulled away so you can get to the screws that are behind here. There's a screw right here, and there's another one right up here. So I'm going to finish taking this trim off here, and we'll be back. Alright, got the trim off, and we want to take out that screw right there, and the one in the back right there. Okay, got that screw. And then that one right back there. And I'm going to need 2 hands for that one. Okay, here's our broken handle. Right there's where it broke. Little piece. And once you have it out, you'll just have a screw there and a screw there. So we'll get the new one out. And here's the GE part number. It's the WB15X20993. Alright. Line up your screw. Same thing with the bottom. Okay. Nice and tight. And then we'll get our trim and just snap it back up. That's it. Alright, that's replacing the handle on a GE stainless steel microwave. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.